Before we invested in any of the automation with Rittal systems, we were doing approximately 180 enclosures a year. Now we're doing over 700 enclosures a year. My name is Sean Raisin, Executive Vice President at USEMCO in Tomah, Wisconsin, United States. USEMCO produces package pumping solutions for the municipal water industry. So basically we're taking pumps and controls and packaging them together in a housing to simplify the process of building a pump station. We invested in the EPLAN software and automation systems because we believed that the automation was going to increase our efficiency and make us more competitive in the marketplace. On top of that, the EPLAN system and the Rittal automation systems provided us with a higher quality product. When we upgraded to the EPLAN software and the whole package, both ProPanel and P8, we were able to provide our customers with a clean and very organized submittal package that gave them a very good idea of exactly what they were going to get ahead of time. And that was able to improve our communication with our customer and make sure that they were satisfied with the product they're getting. We believe that the Rittal automation systems has been able to cut our wiring time in just about half the time than what we were doing it in prior manual labor. Before we invested in any of the automation with Rittal systems, we were doing approximately 180 enclosures a year. Now with both the Perforex and the wire terminal machine, we're doing over 700 enclosures a year. Well, here at USEMCO, we're really happy with the investment that we've made in EPLAN and Rittal automation systems. It's made us more competitive, more efficient, and have better quality, and it makes us feel a lot more secure about the future of the company.